Testing, testing, one, two, three. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how window cleaning, how engaging in the process of pitching businesses and doing essentially door to door sales for my business made me more confident socially. I'm going to talk about the psychological benefits of doing so, whether you have a window cleaning business or you have any sort of service business, that the practice and the action of walking into businesses and pitching yourself has many psychological benefits. It makes you more socially calibrated. It makes you more socially brave. You become less afraid less afraid of doing social things. Essentially, you become more confident, more comfortable doing something that would scare most people, like pitching businesses. And I know this for a fact because when I started pitching businesses, I was very I felt fear. I felt a lot of fear doing it. I felt fake. I felt like I didn't know what I was doing. But I've had my business now for almost a year and a half. It's been such a impactful skill or practice or activity I've engaged in. It's literally what has built my business, is me walking into businesses and confidently pitching myself, learning how to speak clearly, learning how to speak confidently, learning how to be charismatic, how to hold confident body language, learning how to respond to objections, and being able to comfortably face rejection on a regular basis. And rejection is to be expected when you are pitching businesses, people. It's a part of the business, and that is something that I feel that a lot of people hold themselves back in, is that they're afraid of the rejection. They're afraid of being told no. They're afraid of the feeling embarrassed, feeling like they're not good enough. But that is actually really the key, I guess, phase, is once you stop being bothered by rejection, that is when you can truly grow your business more, and just you grow as a person. You become more grounded and centered in yourself. Personally, that is what I have experienced. In my experience, is that at this point I have probably walked into over 1,000 businesses, and I have no fear of it. I have no anxiety. I've done it so many times and I enjoy doing it. It's like a fun way to get outside my comfort zone. And even now, I don't even really consider it outside of my comfort zone. It's within my comfort zone now. So I need to start looking for another way to step outside of my comfort zone even more. But yeah, if you are thinking about starting a business, just know that pitching and doing door-to-door sales, in my opinion, is one of the most growth stimulating things you can do. I didn't like to do it at first, but you develop a lot of thick skin, you develop courage, you develop mental resilience, the ability to bounce back after 10 no's and continue to push forward. You develop that strength of mind, and that is something that I believe is extremely valuable. Whether you continue to do the business or not, whatever you choose to do in life, whatever, because it bleeds into so many other areas besides business. You're willing to take more chances with anything, with relationships, with friendships, with romantic things. You become more courageous. You see everything as a probability. Okay, the way I look at it is that there's always a chance. If I walk in there, there's a chance that they will have somebody, they will want the service, but there is a small chance that they may convert into a client. And because of that small chance, I'm willing to take the shot. Continuously take the shot. You got nothing to lose. That is what I have learned and the way I think about it. So yeah, this is just an encouragement video, basically just sharing what I've experienced personally from the process of going in, doing door-to-door selling. It is a fantastic process to go through if you're starting a new business. You know, I don't, maybe that you're introverted, maybe you don't like to talk to people, but it's gonna be such a growth process for you if you just put in the reps, put in 100 reps. You'll feel it in your demeanor, in your confidence, in your body language, in the way that you speak. You'll become more charismatic. You'll become more persuasive. So yeah, if you're starting a window cleaning business, don't skip out on the door-to-door sales. Still, you can do ads and stuff. I personally don't. But yeah, it's quite a powerful process. So that's going to be the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Short, sweet. This is not really a technical video. It's more so just sharing an idea from a psychological impacting perspective on pitching and what that does for you mentally and socially. So that's the video. Have a great day.